Welcome back to Wealth Waveview. Imagine a world where a single decision can skyrocket your wealth. Today, we dive into a game-changing event in the crypto world, the potential approval of the Ethereum ETF. Stick around to find out how this can make you a lot richer. Now, you might be wondering, what's an ETF and how does it matter for Ethereum and your wealth? An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a way for investors to pool their money to buy a collection of assets, in this case, Ethereum, without having to own the actual asset. Sounds confusing? Stick with me, I'll break it down. Think of an ETF as a diversified digital wallet. It holds your Ethereum safely while opening up opportunities for more people, especially big institutions, to invest without the technical hassles. According to Novogratz from Galaxy, the sudden interest in Ethereum ETFs in Washington implies a massive shift in sentiment. He believes it's politically motivated and says that if Ethereum gets a nod, prices are going to surge beyond your wildest dreams. Next, we have Ethereum's co-founder, Lubin, who predicts a floodgate of demand for Ether. He explains that institutions with Bitcoin ETFs would likely diversify into Ethereum ETFs. And guess what? Less supply and higher demand mean higher prices, possibly creating a severe supply crunch. Bitwise's Matt Hogan chimes in, saying this moment is indicative of crypto's march to mainstream acceptance. Higher prices were seen with Bitcoin's ETF approval, and we could see history repeat itself with Ethereum. Just imagine, institutions pouring into Ethereum as they did with Bitcoin. That's massive! Timo Leahy's from Swarm is excited about significant inflows of capital into Ethereum once an ETF gets approved. He points out that having listed Bitcoin in portfolios naturally leads investors to look at Ethereum next. Even if inflows aren't as massive as Bitcoin's, it's enough to push Ethereum's price upward. And here's another insight. Options traders who've gone bullish are looking at impressive gains, says Keiko's Adam McCarthy. If you're into options, this could be your moment to shine. But, he advises caution, mentioning that mixed demand in Hong Kong ETFs suggests there are still complexities to consider. Gautam Chugani and Mahika Sapa from Bernstein project a 75% surge to $6,600 upon approval. They base this on how Bitcoin surged similarly post-ETF approval. Such a rise in Ethereum's value could take it to new heights, making this investment a potential goldmine. So, what does this mean for you? If you've been sitting on the fence about investing in Ethereum, this might be the signal you've been waiting for. Remember, early movers always benefit the most. An ETF approval would make it easier for institutional investors to pour money into Ethereum, driving up its value. And we all know what happens when demand exceeds supply, prices skyrocket. Do you still want to wait? Experts like Novogratz, Lubin, and Matt Hogan all believe in Ethereum's price potential post-ETF approval. They're seeing a price surge, a strong institutional buy-in, and even a supply crunch. And it's not just talk. Real-world data backs their predictions. The historically high inflows into Bitcoin ETFs set a precedent and show us just what to expect for Ethereum. Numbers don't lie, folks. Imagine the surge in your net worth if you had diversified into an Ethereum ETF early. Millionaires are made in moments like these. Are you ready to take the leap? But let's keep it real. There are risks. Keiko's Adam McCarthy mentions issues like limited staking, Hong Kong ETFs showing tepid demand, and potential large outflows from Grayscale's $9 billion ETH product. You'll need to watch these closely. What should you do? Stay informed and diversify. Monitor expert opinions, market trends, and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification isn't just wise, it's necessary. Remember, navigating the crypto world requires patience, courage, and a keen sense of opportunity. You're not just investing in a currency, but in a paradigm shift. This potential Ethereum ETF approval marks yet another step for crypto going mainstream. It's your chance to be part of a groundbreaking movement that could redefine financial landscapes. Stay tuned as we keep you updated on every development. When the news hits, how quickly you act could determine your gains. Stay smart, stay agile. That's all for today, folks. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any updates. Until next time, this is Wealth Waveview, guiding you to financial freedom, one smart investment at a time.